How to appear offline to only one person. Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to appear offline to only one person in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Then, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Here, tap on Settings. Next, tap on Active Status and make sure it is turned on so you can manage it properly. Now go back and open any chat with the person you want to appear offline to. Then, tap on their username at the top of the chat. Now scroll down and tap on Restrict. After that, tap on Restrict again to confirm. This will hide your active status from them, and they won't know when you're online. Now go back and tap on the menu from the bottom right again. Here, tap on Settings. Then, tap on Privacy and Safety. Next, scroll down and tap on Restricted Accounts. Here, tap on the account you just restricted, and then tap on Unrestrict. This brings them back to normal without seeing your active status. Now go back and hold on the same chat again. Here, tap on Archive to move the chat out of your main inbox so it stays hidden. Then, tap on the menu again. Here, tap on Archive. Now hold the chat and tap on Unarchive if you want to bring it back to your main inbox. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.